The City of Kingston was pleased to find a less expensive way of filtering groundwater and cleaning it rather than having to haul all the contaminated soil away.
Emma Martin Park was home to a smelting operation. It created a lot of arsenic and other heavy metals, and that got into the soil and the groundwater. The technology we chose to clean the contaminated groundwater is something called a permeable reactive wall barrier. As the groundwater flows through, the arsenic is removed from solution and clean water is allowed to flow on towards the Cataraqui River. All this technology is underground.
It's basically a filter that has iron particles and sand, and that will filter out the arsenic from the water. And then we also have a couple of concrete walls on each side of that to funnel the water through this filter.
We did a bench scale test. Within 30 days, we were getting arsenic removal 95–98%.
Our original scope on the project to get a baseline for cost was to remove all of the soil that is contaminated. We wanted to do a design-build procurement so that we would allow the technical community to come in and give us proposals that were value added.
We'd covered the top with a layer of clean material, but we didn't have to remove thousands and thousands of cubic meters or tons of soil at great expense.
We were able to reduce our costs, reduce our impact on landfill, and reduce greenhouse gas emissions, at the same time improving the park experience for the park users.
To have a solution that doesn't tear up the physical space and change the natural environment, that's really important.
There's a current recreational rowing club and canoe club, there's a local business, an existing operating marina and some residential in the location, and a fully connected waterfront system is a goal for this space.
With the waterfront trail going through, we're seeing a lot more use of the area.
Now that we've removed a source of ongoing contamination to the river, we're able to consider much more confidently a project that might clean up the contaminated sediments in the river.
Being environmentally forward-looking is one way in which we can establish the basis for tourism and develop a new economy.